Okay guys, I got my Aero Grow assembled, as you see here. I got the water in it. I had to do different things for the settings. I got the settings all started and my light won't turn on. So I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna have to check some YouTube videos or read an instruction manual. It does have a timer where the time is supposed to set the light for a certain amount of time, but it never came on. I would figure as soon as I started it up that the light would turn on, but it didn't. It just started up the hydroponic part of it. Um, I turned it off and turned it back on to see if I can get some light. Didn't get that either, and it's pissing me off. So anyway, stay tuned. Once I get the light all set up, I'll let you guys know, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, everybody, I finally got it to light up. I found out what the issue was. I emailed the company, and they were telling me there were different things to check. Check to make sure you have the right light to match the right Aero garden. Check to make sure it's plugged in with all plugs. That's the first plug that you'll see right here. That connects the hydro part to the I guess you could say the power source, and also there's a plug in the back that just connects it to the outlet. And then they said the last thing that you need to check is to check to make sure that the light is connected to the USB that is located inside of here. So I knew all the other stuff wasn't wrong, so I went and I disassembled it and I pushed it as far as I can go, and I realized that yeah, the USB was not connected on the inside. So that's why my light didn't come on. And when I did that, I had all the power off. So when I started it back up, oh, it looked dusty already. My bad. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. After I did all of that, I keep forgetting. This is a touch screen. You have to actually touch these buttons over here. After I did all of that, it came on. This lit up, and it asked, it said, did your power go off or did you want to start a new garden? And I told him the power went off and all I had to do was reset the time. And then after that, my settings that I already had were back to normal. So I'll be checking on it and I'll be waiting to see how long it'll be before it grows. And I also put my little caps over the top of it so that I guess it's supposed to be like a little dome effect. I can't think of the name of it. All right, well, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.